Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the smallest area of this triangle in here. And we know that the line that is about the tangent on the curve. So the first thing we need to find the derivative of the function. This one that is about number 1. This one that is about 3x squared. And now we can apply the formula of the tangent. So that should be like this. So this one that is about this one. So y0 that is about this one. So this one multiplied by s and s0 in here. So we cancel this one. 3s0 to the power of 3 minus s0 to the power of 3, that is about 2s0 to the power of 3. And this is the formula of this tangent in here. Now we need to find the location in here and here. So when s equals to number 0, y equals to negative number 2, s0 this is positive s0 to the power of 3. So the location in here that is about 0 to s0 to the power of 3. When y equals to number 0, we can find the value of s. So I will put this one go to the left and we divide both sides by 1 minus 3s0 squared. So that should be like this. So this one that is about negative number 2 s0 to the power of 3 over 1 minus 3s0 squared. And this one we have number 0. So we want to find the smallest triangle. So we have the height and the base. So the length of the height that is about this one. The length of the base that is about this one. So we just multiply two values in here. Negative number 4 divided by number 2, we have negative number 2. And now I will consider about the function f of s equals to negative number 2s over 1 number 6 in here, 1 minus 3s squared. So the next one, we need to do first the derivative of the function. So this is about the quotient rule of the derivative. So that should be about y equals to 8 over b. So if we do first the derivative, we need to do first the derivative of a multiplied by b minus we need to do first the derivative of b multiplied by 8 over b squared. And now we can apply the formula in here, and that should be like this. This one we have the power number 2. So first the derivative of s to the power of 6, that is about 6s to the power of 5, number 6 with negative number 2, that is about negative number 12. This one we have negative and negative, we have positive, number 3 with number 2, we have number 6. So we need to put first the derivative of the function equals to number 0. That means this one equals to number 0. So I need to consider about this one only. So we can do about factorization by negative number 12 s to the power of 5. So we have s squared in here. So this one we have s to the power s equal to number 0 and 1 minus 2s squared equals to number 0. So this one we can find about s squared, that is about 1 over number 2. So we put the square root for the both sides. So in this situation, we have two scenarios. The first one, when s equal to number 0, that means the tangent they will go like this. So we don't have the value of the triangle, but we have s equals to 1 over the square root of number 2 and negative of number 1 over the square root of number 2. That means they have another tangent in here. So that means we have two triangles. And if we put about s equals to 1 over the square root of number 2 or negative of number 1 over the square root of number 2, go back to this function in here. you will have about the same value of the area. That is about 1/2. So we just have only two scenarios in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.